Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ariel and I create skincare and self-care content. If you enjoy watching videos about skincare reviews, routines and self-care tips, please consider subscribing to my channel and you can also follow me on my Instagram. So today, I am taking you guys along with me for a slow and relaxing self-care routine from hair oiling and skincare to shower care and body care. Honestly, these kinds of days make me feel refreshed mentally and physically, and I love romanticizing these little moments of self care. So grab your coffee, tea, or just relax and let's get started. I always like to start my self care routine by combing and detangling my hair first using a wooden comb. It feels super gentle on my scalp and honestly makes the whole routine feel extra calming and therapeutic. For hair oiling, I am using the Bodywise 5% Rosemary hair growth oil. I really like this oil because it's lightweight and non-sticky, so it doesn't feel heavy or greasy on my scalp. Rosemary oil is known to help improve scalp circulation and support healthier looking hair over time. And hair oiling in general just helps nourishing the scalp, reduce dryness, and makes my hair feel so much softer. I like to take my time and give myself a relaxing scalp massage. It instantly helps me unwind and feels so soothing after a long week. For the length of my hair, I am using the Schwarzkopf Professional Spa Essence Hydrating Mask. I apply this on slightly damp hair and leave it on for around 15 to 20 minutes. This mask makes my hair feel really smooth, less frizzy, and so much more manageable afterwards. My hair always looks softer and shinier whenever I use this. While the hair mask is sitting, I am making a simple DIY face mask using Besan, coffee powder and curd. I love using this combination whenever my skin looks dull or tanned because it makes my skin feel fresh, clean and brightened up naturally. The coffee helps gently exfoliate, the curd feels soothing and nourishing, and Besan gives that fresh, clean skin feeling. Honestly, this mask always makes my skin feel so soft afterwards. Now moving on to shampoo. I am using the WishCare Hydrating Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This is an exfoliating shampoo that helps remove scalp buildup and dandruff without making my scalp feel stripped or dry. I personally really like how hydrating this feels compared to a lot of anti-dandruff shampoos, and I think it works really well if you have a flaky scalp. Since I already used a hair mask earlier, I am skipping the conditioner today because the mask itself is enough to keep my hair soft and manageable. For body care, I am starting with this Dove body scrub in brown sugar and coconut butter. I am honestly not the biggest fan of the fragrance, but I absolutely love the texture of this scrub. It's slightly coarse with gritty texture, which works really well for dry and flaky skin. It leaves my skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth afterwards. Next, I am using the Petal Fresh Pure Soothing Lavender Bath and Shower Gel. This body wash feels really gentle on my skin and helps keep my dry skin moisturized instead of making it feel tight after showering. And I am also using it as a shaving lubricant while shaving my body with this Cartesian razor. I have personally never waxed because I genuinely cannot tolerate the pain, so shaving has always been my preferred option. It's quicker, painless and works perfectly fine for me. Once I am out of the shower, I immediately moisturize my body using the NIVEA Nourishing Body Milk. This is honestly my favorite body lotion of all time. It is lightweight, non-sticky and still deeply moisturizing at the same time. It keeps my skin soft for hours without feeling greasy, which I especially love during humid weather. For my hair, I am applying this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Hair Oil Serum. I have been using this serum for quite a long time now and I genuinely love this. It adds such a nice shine to my hair while helping control frizz and making my hair look healthier overall. Lastly, for skincare, I'm just using this Episoft AC moisturizer with sunscreen. The weather here has been extremely hot and humid lately, so I really don't like layering too much products on my skin, especially during the daytime. I usually do use a vitamin C serum during the daytime, but today I wanted to keep things simple and lightweight, so I'm just going in directly with this moisturizer. It feels comfortable on my skin and works really well for days when I want minimal skincare. And with that, my self-care routine is finally complete. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.